So how do you delete the Google search history on the iPhone? Let's get into it. Now, there are more places and things where it might get saved. First of all, if you're using Safari for it, make sure you open up the settings app like that, and then just go to the apps section at the bottom entirely. You can look up Safari or scroll through the apps alphabetically to find it, but essentially just get to the Safari section, scroll down a bit more, and you can find the option to clear history and website data. And when you click on this, make sure you know not only select the last hour or today, but just choose all history and make sure to close all of the tabs as well. You can perform that, clear the history like this, and it's not saved within the actual Safari website, or I mean browser, of course. But when it comes to the Google search history, there is a dedicated page, especially if you are using the Google account when, searching, and you can find some things on your account where, you can specifically go through Google's servers and check out if your history is stored there as well. So you can go to youractivity.google.com, so my activity, and you just sign in here. Make sure you get inside with your account, and in there you will have the ability to just find the history of whatever thing you've been browsing in the past, and you also get to decide if you want to keep on storing the history or if you want to clear it on, of course, Google's servers. So let me know below in the comments if there are some other things you have in mind. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next videos, in the next tutorials. So again, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.